Teresa's supposed to be narrating, so I guess I'm narrating. Today is Tuesday, the 3rd or 4th December. I don't know, something like that. Today we are going up there in the Jeep to get our Christmas tree. We usually do this in the side-by-side, but the girls wanted to come, and they're in the back seat, laying down. And
I didn't want to be cold.
yeah, when we got up this morning, it was 23 degrees. I think it's like 27 right now, 25, 27. So, too cold to take the side-by-side, because we're old and we don't like to do that kind of stuff anymore. Anyway, that's our journey today. But first, we're heading down to the trash cans to drop off all of our trash. So, anyway, we'll continue it here in a second. Yeah, okay. I just wanted to film where we're at. So the bottom here is 8 Mile. Straight across. This is for you, Joshua. There's the radio towers. That shit you always made me ride through is right up through there. Good Lord. I miss you, buddy. I really do. I don't miss Miller Creek. You know what the saying is? Tell me. Come on, Josh.
There she is. Oh, I think it's going to be a good one. Yeah. Miles and Bailey's little one? Yeah.
Pretty up here.
It's really pretty up here.
Well, we made it home. Teresa's upset because there's no extension cord in the house. It's all up in the shop. There's the tree. Fits good, right? No. There she is.
I want to plug the lights in.
She wants to plug the lights in.
We need an extension cord.
I know. So now we're going up to the shop to get the decorations we need, and hopefully be done with this today. So it's that's my plan anyway, so stay tuned. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday. Friday, December, let's call it the 6th. Sounds good to me. First time I've been able to see more than 100 yards. The last 2 days we've had fog all the way up here. And talk about not fun. I don't like the fog. I like to see the mountains, I like to see the sun, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I'm out here doing chores. It's cold. It was 23 I think, 19 degrees when we woke up this morning. It's chilly. No other ways to describe it. So I'm gonna get busy watering and trying to get them ducks to shut up, which won't work, but anyway, I'm gonna give her a shot. Ellie, quit eating poop. She's eating the chicken poo, which is gross. So anyway, let's get busy. Whew. Puppies are very helpful. And the cats. Raider and Chloe. Raider hasn't came down since, it's been a while for me. Him and Billy are best buds. Just like Chloe and her. Is that your buddy? Huh? Alright, Ellie, what do you think? No, one egg today from the chickens, but they usually get going in the afternoon, so I'll check it again before it gets dark and gather them up, because don't want them to freeze. Eggs are good. So, take some water up to the cats. Next, let me get this into the duck tub. Hold on. There, she's running now. The remaining 2 heaters are doing well. I set the electric fence halfway, a little less than halfway over that cow trough, because remember the last one they ruined. Buggers. So let's grab the cat water and go up to the shop and take care of them. What do you think, Chloe? Huh? Should we go up to the shop? Should we go to your house? Yeah? Okay, let's roll. Here, got your water. Got your water, Chloe. Raider, I think, is still down there, wanting to go in the duck pen with the ducks. I'm about ready to let them in too. And look who showed up. These knotheads. You guys aren't getting any hay. You got a bunch down there. Hi, Loretta. Emmy. Cannon. These ones usually travel in groups of 3. Mama, daughter, and daughter's son. Yeah. I know I tell you guys that every time, but I want to show you guys the shop, how we got everything. Oh, here comes Raider now. Hey, Raider. All right, see you later. Show you how everything's tucked in. Look at this. It's like a maze. Everything fits though. Get rid of some of this stuff. Probably should just throw that stuff away. But I won't yet. And that's how everything fits in here. That's why we have a shop, right? And now I need to go through here, check the cat feed. I'm gonna save you the agony of me trying to squeeze through there, so hold tight. Forgot to plug the boat in. The battery charger. Not that it's a big deal, but you know what? Helps the batteries last longer, so we're just gonna plug them in. How do I turn that off, I wonder? That's the hot water system. There. Boat's plugged in. I wonder if I just... No. It shut off. Maybe I did that. It was lit up, so I hit the power button for the on-demand hot water. And the display wouldn't go off, so I'm sure I'm doing something wrong. For people that have owned several campers before, I don't think much of the on-demand hot water. Yeah, I think it just uses way too much water trying to heat up and all that stuff. So anyway, what are you doing, Chloe? Basking in the sun? Huh? Are you basking in the sun? All right, let's go turn the duck water off. And chores are done. This time of year, when we're not feeding a bale to the cows, or even when we are, it's not that difficult. So never is difficult, it's just easier, I guess, in the winter time, other than having to drain all the hoses and all that stuff. But anyway, pity party, right? So turn the water off. That looks like it's full now, and it's like the ducks are playing in the mud, which they love. What are you yahoos doing? Weirdos. All right, have a good weekend, you guys. We'll talk to you soon. It's dark. Hello everyone. Friday night, down here in the big town of Stevensville. Tonight they have their tree lighting ceremony, so all of Main Street, which you can see all the cars coming, so all of Main Street will be lit up tonight. So yeah, I'm meeting Austin and the kids down here. And I think everybody else from Missoula to Hamilton will probably be here too. So I'll probably film, but I won't talk because that's kind of weird. So we'll catch you later. Well, we missed the switch. This dude's trying to get out of here with his car.
Flashing lights, that's a good sign.
Kind of seems kind of interesting that he'd be wanting to leave right now, but whatever. I decided today, it's Saturday, it's college football game day, which is awesome. So basically, what I planned on doing was making turkey pot pie out of the leftovers. And look at this. Yeah, baby. And then it's gonna go into those pans. And then I'm going to put a pie crust over the top of them. Yeah. So that's what is on the agenda for dinner tonight. The other three we'll just put in the freezer and utilize them for a camping trip or just down the road when I don't want to cook anymore. So anyway, that's what we got going on today. Nothing else really planned. Gonna go out and do chores here in a bit. And then it's time for a haircut. After that, football. So, hope you guys enjoy your day. Take care. We'll talk to you soon. Well, good morning, everyone. It is Sunday. I probably should have looked at the date. It's December 7th today, I think. Sounds about right. So yeah, winter storm warning last night and all day today. Look at how much snow we got. Yep. I don't see it either. But it feels like it's coming. It's on the mountain range, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to amount to anything. So I am checking all the water. Cows are fine. Chickens are fine. Ducks will be fine because I just did them yesterday, I think it was. Gave some lettuce to the chickens yesterday, and that's all gone. So we'll give them a little bit more. And I have to We're in the greenhouse now. I have to find a scoop. This will work. Yeah, we're gonna throw some scratch for the chickens. They like that stuff. Gives them something to do. Anyway, I gotta feed cows today. Sometimes I take you guys along with me, and sometimes I don't. Today, I'm gonna take you along with me because I want to finish up this video. Here's Yelly. Hi. Finish up this video, and yeah, there's not a whole lot of. Oh, Billy's waiting for me to get the ball. Ready? There's not a whole lot for me to video, so I'll just do that instead. So hold tight. We'll go up to the barn, get the tractor warming up, get the hay uncovered. Yeah, cows know there's something going on. They're working their way to me. So hold tight. Be there in a sec. All right, go ahead. You seen little numbnuts here butting his head against the bale. Come on, girl. Go eat. Come on. Go eat. Go eat. And then Cannon came over and knocked the camera over. They're just a bunch of help. So anyway, that is it for today. It's not that cold out, but I'm preparing for snow, and I guess it's coming. We'll see. But I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and hope you have some awesome plans coming up for the next week. So until then, we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.